Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to get verified on Instagram but the meta verified option is not showing, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch Instagram, then tap on a profile icon and tap on three lines in top right corner. If you are meta verified, you will see option on that page. If not, then tap on settings and tap on account center. Here is the second place that you can see the meta verified option will show here. If not, then what we have to do, we have to log out from your Instagram account from all devices, all account. After logout, force close the Instagram app and all other apps that are running in the background and wait for at least 10 to 12 minutes, then log in back. After logging back, hopefully you will get the meta verified option. If not, then tap and hold the app store. Now tap on updates and check the list. Is there is any update available for Instagram? If there is, then update the Instagram app. After update the Instagram, if you still facing the same issue, then force close all the app, tap and hold the Instagram app. Now tap remove app and tap delete app. After deleting the app, optionally you will check settings, general, soft update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After update to a latest iOS, then back to App Store and re-download the Instagram app. One of these is not working, then do the final step. Instagram, profile icon, three lines in top right corner, setting and account center. Here you have to shake your iPhone. When you shake it, this option will appear, then tap on report a problem. Include and continue. Here you have a screenshot. Put the same words that I'm going to put here. I already write down. Take all these words, copy and paste here. After that, tap on send, and within a week you will get the Instagram meta verified option in your account. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.